How to save video from CapCut to gallery. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to save a video from CapCut to gallery. Now let's get right into the tutorial. CapCut is a powerful tool that allows users to creatively express their ideas through video editing on a mobile device. And if you are done editing your video and wondering on how to save the video from CapCut to gallery, then watch the video until the end. So firstly, open the CapCut application and tap on the new project option. Go ahead and import the video that you want to make changes in and save it further. Now make sure the necessary changes has been done, and if you want to save the video in CapCut, then you can simply tap on the cross symbol on the left side of your screen to save the video, and the video will be saved to CapCut drafts with the changes you made. And if you want to save the video to your camera roll, then tap on the export button on the top right of your screen. You can also tap on the 1080p drop-down and change the resolution, frame rate, and code rate if you want. And now, tap on the export button and wait for the video to export, and with this you will be successfully able to save a video from CapCut to gallery. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.